Hello, everyone, and welcome. I am Jaspreet Kaur, and today I am excited to share my intermediate milestone 2 updates for Survival Language Learning app. So the challenges faced by the tourists and short-term travelers when confronted with language barriers are significant, particularly in critical or urgent situations such as emergencies and unavoidable social interactions. Traditional language applications, while effective for long-term fluency, often overlook the immediate needs that arises in daily travel scenarios. So, what are the user's goal here? Designing a user-friendly app for a survival language learning app involves a deep understanding of user goals by focusing on minimizing cognitive load. The user should effectively access critical phrases, thus enhancing their confidence and ability to communicate effectively. Furthermore, we are embedding scenario-based learning within the app that allows the users to engage with culturally relevant materials, while the incorporation of offline functionality provides a safety net for language access that when connectivity is an issue. Now, what are the user needs and preferences? According to the survey that I have posted on survey feedback for our peers, the feedback from the users illuminates um, several pressing needs that preferences regarding survival language learning applications. Overwhelmingly, most desirable feature including streamlined access to phrases, support for pronunciation through audio, and offline usability. Emphasis emphasizing the functionality that enhances user not autonomy. Next, now the literature review is Nation and Cribble in 1991 introduced the idea of survival syllabus. They recommended a curated list of approximately 120 phrases selected based on needs, frequency, combination, and learnability. Nuruddin suggested that the app act as the user's most knowledgeable other, helping them navigate a new environment through socially situated language learning. The design principles that we are adopting is this app will prioritizing rapid access to critical phrases, facilitating quick communication in urgent context, incorporating visual cues into the app's layout, streamlines navigation. Then we are embedding crucial cultural notes, ensure that the user not only expresses language accurately, but also does so in a manner that signifies respect for local customs, thereby enriching their travel experience. Now, design alternatives. I have created three different alternatives. So, first one is, yeah, scenario based design, where I have a design card with visuals and a progress bar on the top. So this is a separate scenario related to food with a visual clue, and this is related to transport and with a visual of a bus with two people. The next one is a phrase book, which the main elements are large, tappable, and collapsible buttons with um, categorization. So this is how I have categorized like greetings, and then it will have subcategories of underneath the main category. And it goes like this. This content is collapsible, so it will be easy to navigate. The last one is this gamification. This is inspired by Duolingo. Like the visuals will be here, and it is in a form of a game. The user can um, visualize in a form that they are playing a game. So when they complete any course, it will go green, and then the traveler will jump from one section to the another. So it is quite engaging process. So next is, now I have again attempted the survey for design alternative, where these are my three aspects. Here, the gamified design consistently scored higher for intuitiveness, ease of use, while Facebook was a strong contender for real life scenarios. Real life survival scenarios, user feedback suggested blending visual elements and improving navigation that could further enhance the design. Then I have completed to like 5 to 6 screens of high fidelity design, but this is an ongoing work. So here is my designs. Okay. So I have created a profile page which has learning goals. They can change based on whatever vocabulary or how much vocabulary the user wants to learn. Then there is a progress report bar. This will tell how many vocabularies learned by the user in each week. This is to make the app more gamified and increase motivation and inspiration in the user to learn. This is the home page where I have used multiple languages with their flags on it. So the user can select their destination country they are visiting. And then after selecting, the user will come to the scenario page where I have used like visuals to tell which is a separate category. So this is the combination of a gamified version and scenario based as the user wanted in based on the surveys. So I have combined both the ideas into this one app. Then after this page is pending, after selecting food, the user will get on this page on lessons. Here this is an incomplete page, but the vocabulary is written in the phonic Hindi, phonic language, and then it's English version, and then after the English in Hindi, and the audio will be um, a local person's voice where the user can get the context or the tone of the local cultural thing. But this still app is pending. There are many screens that I have to create next. So my next step is developing or completing this high fidelity prototype, then incorporating feedback and insights from the previous surveys. And then after I will wipe code to create the front end and a little working of the app. Thank you so much. Have a good day.